Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for the wonderful comments and the overwhelming response that you've been sending my way, and thank you so much for the wonderful feedback. I'm really happy to know that the readings have been resonating with a lot of you, and also thank you so much for the donations that some of you have sent. Please send me a personal message if you want me to give you a big shout out in my next reading. We'll do so. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading, and this is to let you know the messages coming from your person. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck with the rose quartz crystal on top. This is pile number 2, the Rider Waite Tarot deck with the Tiger's Eye crystal on top. And this is pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck with the Amethyst crystal on top. Please take your time to choose your pile. You need to think about your person. You need to think about your relationship with your person, and think about what messages your person is trying to send out to you. And you could put the video on hold to connect to these piles. Please try and tap into the energies of these piles, and the more you're connected with these piles, the more accurate your reading gets for you. And I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. And please remember that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and please leave the rest. I'll see you at your pile. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck. What messages your person is trying to send out to you. Messages coming from your person. People who've chosen pile number 1, your person is wanting to, either have a reunion with you, or is trying to meet you, or you've met and is glad to meet you. Something on those lines. They are very content, but yes, definitely want to, there might have been a situation wherein things got a little drifted from, like, you both got drifted from each other because of something, or there was some kind of a stoppage that happened between you or your person, between you and your person. There is some kind of a negative turmoil that's taken place, and your energies are not being, coming out. So your person is definitely expecting a reunion. They want to meet you, they want to get things settled with you, they want things to come back to control. So whatever issues have taken place in the past, they want that to just settle and first just reunite with you. There is a lot of stress in the situation, there is a lot of trouble, there is a lot of I would say negativity, dishonesty that's involved. Maybe somebody is not coming out clear, so your person is definitely wanting to regain that balance, the balance of the positive as well as the nitty-gritties of the negative. But yes, they definitely want a balance how things were in the past. They want things to go back to the way they used to be. Maybe for a lot of you, things have just come tumbling down. There has been some setback, major setback in the relationship between you and your person, and now your person is trying to, their message for you is that they want to set things right. They want things to go back to the way they were, to a better tomorrow. And yes, I do see that they are making efforts for things to get back. They are in that mode where they are here to set right things. They want the feeling of perfection, they want that feeling of accomplishment. They have the fire element in them to set things right. But whatever the situation is at the moment, things are very negative. It might take some time for things to get totally fine between you and your person. Also, it might take 2 months for a lot of you for the balance to come. For many of you, a lot of people have got involved. It could be a 3-party situation, it could be a lot of confusion, quarrel, dishonesty, like I said, maybe a lot of backbiting, because too many people have got involved in this kind of a situation, or a third person has come, or anything that could have taken place. Since these are general readings, it's a different situation for each one of you. Lot of confusion, lot of stress going on in the current situation, lot of dullness. Your person is also extremely bogged down by stress, and they want that the right judgment should take place. They want that they should be heard out, and they definitely want things to get better. People who've chosen pile number 1, your person is on the right track. They are definitely wanting for this reunion to take place. They are definitely wanting for the partnership to again come back to life. They want this whole relationship to start blooming once and for all, once again. So please think about your situation, and depending on whatever you want to do, give a second chance to your person, or try and reconnect, try and listen to them. Think, before taking any decision, definitely give them a chance to, speak their mind out or speak their heart out. People who've chosen pile number 1, open your heart and expect a miracle to come. That's what the mystical wisdom cards are saying. So just don't be closed, with whatever has happened. Open your heart and let the miracle, let the angel of miracles just come and do a miracle in your life, in your relationship. Also, just try and seek clarity. People who've chosen pile number 1, like I said, give your person the chance to speak their heart. Give them the chance to just set things right. They want to reach out to you. They want to tell you that this is not what you're, the true picture needs to be seen first, and you need to clear your mind from all the negativity. Make your own trail, blaze your own trail. People who've chosen pile number 1, don't listen to other people, don't go by just hearsay. You need to trust your person. You need to use your own wisdom and your own guidance, and you need to use your own heart and mind to blaze your own trail. Get messages from the Almighty. Be creative, be hopeful in your relationship. Things can be better. Invite the magic in. That's what the cards are telling you. Mystical wisdom cards and the art of tarot cards are going hand in hand. People who've chosen pile number 1, that just don't be stuck up. Clear the clutter, seek clarity, give your person that chance to speak, hear the truth out, whatever's taken place. Maybe you're being guided wrong, in the wrong way, or you can't see the true picture. Your person is trying to tell you something, but a lot of people have got involved in this whole scenario, so it's getting it's getting dirty now. So you really need to listen to your own heart, blaze your own trail, make your own platform, and sort out things. Your person is definitely telling you, the message that they are trying to send out to you is that please listen to them. They want a reunion, they want to connect with you. Give them a chance. People who've chosen pile number 1, I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 1. Please leave your comments and feedbacks if the reading was resonant. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. Messages from your person. People who've chosen pile number 2, your person in the first place is the right person for you. Also, they are very hopeful. They are very, very keen to take the relationship forward. They are thinking of a long-term relationship with you. They are, for a lot of you, your person is now ready to, give you commitment, or is ready to start a new chapter with you. Maybe for a lot of you who are already married, the message for you is that your person is now sending out the message that let's plan a family, let's begin a new chapter in our life. People who are not married and are just, in a relationship, maybe your person is definitely ready to take this to an, your person is standing out there at the cliff. They just want to start a new chapter with you peacefully. They want to go on this new road of, this new journey of adventure, fun, frolic, whatever it is. Your person is definitely ready and is sending out the message loud and clear that they want to start the new journey. They are hopeful. They want this opportunity. They want things to be balanced between you and them. They want to create a balance, and I do see a balanced relationship. The balance of yin and yang is definitely present in this present relationship of yours. Maybe things at the moment are, still difficult. Maybe you're a little burdened. You're not being able to get things in control. You're still working for things to happen. Your person is also working, but the message is loud and clear that yes, they want this relationship to go ahead. They want to take it to the next level. Also, I see divine intervention in your relationship. So please, just surrender to the divine, surrender to the Almighty. Some some expectations might not be happening the way you want them to. You might just get 75 to 80% of the expectations that you have from your person or from the situation, but it's okay. I do see a positive approach coming your way. Maybe there's a lot of confusion in the relationship at this point in time, but I do see celebration on the cards. And it's a matter of 28 days to 2 months for a lot of you for the relationship to find its new journey, find its new chapter. But your person is definitely here. And also, do not take this further, do not stretch it too far. Stand by your person, believe that they are here for you, they want this to happen. Because by you not committing to your person, or you just trying to be too confused, might just lead to the relationship to go to a different level. Your person needs that commitment, your person needs that understanding from your end, because they are ready now. So people who've chosen pile number 2, this is the right time for you to give that trust, to give that feeling of you supporting your person. There might be some kind of arguments, there might be some kind of confusions leading to a lot of stress, leading to a lot of, maybe a lot of you have your family involved in this whole scenario, and you might have issues, but you need to stand strong, you need to stay committed to your person. 2 months, like I said, maximum time for this relationship to get that right turn and the right balance that it requires. People who've chosen pile number 1, expect miracles and inner guidance. Remember that you are in a you're surrounded by the angels who are magnetic and positive and are here to promise you, like I said, this is the relationship is here to go to a next level. So it's promising you growth, it's promising you a lot of self realization. Also, it blesses you with a lot of extra energy to just develop your relationship or just achieve your goals the way you want them to. So you just need to you will be guided to make the right move at the right time in the right direction. Look beyond yourself and don't afraid to aim high. People who've chosen pile number 2, your person is the right one for you, your person is definitely here. They are giving you the message loud and clear that they want to be with you, they want to stay in this relationship, they want to take it to the further maturity, to a further level. So just push aside all the distraction, just push aside whatever is blocking you from standing by your person. Aim high, trust yourself, look beyond yourself, see your situation, see your person, how true they are to you, and just expect miracles to happen. Take decisions on the belief, on your intuitions and on your belief. So it's very important for you people to connect to your intuition, to connect to yourself, to your higher self. Great spiritual growth will be experienced by people who've chosen this pile, and also good news will arrive soon. People who've chosen pile number 2. So yes, both the tarot decks, the guidance tarot decks as well as the Rider-Waite tarot deck is saying the same thing, and is giving you the right the direction that it is very important for you to just stand with your person, stand by them, and just be in the right uh, direction and support them. That's what the cards are saying. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 2. Please leave in your comments and feedbacks if the reading was resonant with you. Also, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings very soon for you all. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much once again. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck. Messages from your person. So people who've chosen pile number 3, maybe your person is right now at a, the relationship as well as your person, they are at a place where a lot of decisions need to be made and a lot of efforts need to be done in this relationship. But they are definitely very positive about the relationship and are also very hopeful they are just expecting some good fortune, something coming out of, their expectations are very high from the relationship and from you, and they want to just be guided in the right direction to take the relationship forward. Maybe their efforts are not being given the right kind of, importance, or the right, the they are not being able to get the right outcome of their efforts, and they're just feeling very neglected or are feeling extremely alone. Maybe they need your support at this point in time and are not getting it. They might require some help. Their expectations are a little shattered. They are expecting something to happen in the relationship or from you, which is not taking, shape, is not happening. And they are very hopeful. Like I said, their hopes are not shattered at all, and they still feel that they are in the right direction. 2 months for this relationship to just take shape and things to get better, but they have that spirit of working more. They have that spirit of the win-win, situation. They want victory in the relationship. They want to, take this relationship, whatever. I mean, they want this relationship to sustain at any cost. People who've chosen pile number 3, and your person is the right person for you. Their efforts are not just, just for the sake of it. They genuinely mean what they are doing. They genuinely feel whatever they are telling you. So you need to trust them, and also you need to give it back to them. Now it's your time to show your trust to your person. So it's very important for you to just, give that right feeling to your person. They are still very confused whether to, what they should do. They're weighing a lot of pros and cons, but at the end of the day, they do feel that this is the perfect relationship, but it's just making them feel extremely overburdened. And the message is loud and clear that they are tired of putting in the maximum efforts, but they are still pushing themselves the way they could. And they maybe are not able to express their feelings to you. Their tiredness, their fatigue, their anxiety, their stress is not, they're not able to show it to you. They're hoping for a new beginning to happen in this relationship. It's important for you both to talk it out. If your person is not being able to release their negative energy or their tired feeling, but you do mean the world to them, so it's very important that you just take that step. You just give yourself that, that push to work towards this relationship, to show your person what actually you really, what they mean to you, so that it just doesn't, the relationship just doesn't slip from your hands. And I do see contentment on the cards for this relationship, and I do see that the relationship is on the path of, a peaceful and a blooming relationship. I see a lot of prosperity in this relationship coming to you, towards you. But yes, your efforts definitely need to be shown to your person, people who've chosen pile number 3. And let's see what the Moonology cards are guiding you, what messages your person is trying to send out to you through these Moonology cards. Your new romantic cycle is definitely here to win. So like I said, your person is waiting for your new beginning. They are definitely wanting things to take shape with you. You need to surrender to the divine, people who've chosen pile number 3. Just don't rush into anything and show your person, trust the divine, trust the almighty that this is the right person for you, and expect a powerful change coming your way, coming in this relationship. People who've chosen pile number 3, things will, whatever this tough cycle is, it's just about to end at now, and it's the end of this tough cycle which is about to begin. You and your loved ones are definitely together. That's what the Moonology cards are confirming. So people who've chosen pile number 3, just it's time for you to put in the efforts and believe that your person is also putting in the best efforts, and they're not just saying it for the sake of it. So believe in your person, trust your love, trust your situation, trust your relationship, and rest. Just leave, surrender everything to the almighty. Let the almighty take this relationship to a new beginning, to a new level, to a maybe to a changed relationship, but the change is definitely here for the positive. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 3. And please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comments section. I'll be happy to know your feedbacks, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for all you wonderful people. Stay tuned to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much once again. Take care and stay safe.